Hi everybody, my name is Daniel and I have just finished a sleek bun look for Muriel. If you want to know how I've done it, keep watching. So what are you doing today then?
I want to go to a dinner party and I want a sleek bun, but I don't know how to get my short hair into the bun.
Okay.
Yes.
I mean, we can do the bun down here, you know, like do it on the bottom so you get all the hair in. Yeah. And I think if you leave out a little bit here in the front, you know, it gives it a bit of a lighter touch
I like
to it.
it.
You know, like just make that really shiny and sleek. Do a little twist down here and then have the front a bit more loose to play with.
Perfect.
I think that'd be really nice. Cool. Then let's go and get the hair wash. KMS strength is definitely start, style, finish. I will start with CONSCIOUSSTYLE Shampoo and Conditioner because it gives me lightweight hydration, which I need for the look. So first of all, I take out a round section, clean, and that will be my fringe part, which I'm going to leave out, and it will be a dry texture. So the rest of the hair, I'm going to dry lightly backwards, just to reduce the water and also smoothen out. The THERMASHAPE quick blow dry helps me to dry the hair faster, because the technology moves the hair apart so the air can flow faster through the hair. And also it's a light conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and at the same time I have my heat protection. I've dried the hair about 75% now. Now I will use the KMS Styling Gel. It's the ideal gel when you want to do sleek looks because it's nice and easily combed in through the hair. I will apply it now layer by layer to get a nice and clean, smooth effect. By applying the product directly onto the head without using my fingers, will make sure my hands stay clean so I don't get stuck to the hair or to the comb. So using the back of my hand to apply the product or put it directly on. I also give the hair straight the direction of the head shape, which I think always gives like a nicer sleek effect. For little details, I apply the gel onto the comb and then bring it directly in the areas where it's needed. I shape the hair into a ponytail and it will stay because of the gel. And now we'll secure it with a little elastic by leaving the ends out for another bit to tie onto. I'm using a fine-tooth comb to work the gel into the hair, and then to get a more open comb lines, I'm using a more wider tooth comb. So I change to that, which gives me then a different kind of comb lines. Now I'm gonna pop in some ADDPOWER thickening spray. My favorite because it gives you a light hold and also adds heat protection. The ThermaShape 2-in-1 spray will give some extra hold to my fringe, heat protection, medium hold and a little bit of shine. To finish off the fringe, I will use the Firm Hold Hairspray. This product makes sure your fringe stays where you want it to stay. And this is Muriel's finished sleek bun look. I hope you like it. If you want to see more videos, go on to the KMS Pro YouTube channel.